In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Love2shop gift card online. Whether you've just received this card as a gift or have been holding on to it for a special occasion, using it online is straightforward and convenient. Let's walk through the steps to help you make the most out of your Love2shop gift card. First, you'll want to start by checking the balance on your Love2shop gift card. This ensures that you'll know exactly how much you have to spend. To do this, visit the Love2shop website and navigate to their gift card balance checker. You'll need to enter your gift card number, which you can find on the back of the card, and then input your PIN, usually covered by a scratch-off panel. Once you've entered the necessary information, click the Submit button. Take note of your card balance, as it will guide your purchasing decisions. Once you've confirmed your balance, it's time to decide where you want to shop. Love2shop gift cards are versatile and can be used at a wide array of online retailers. To find a list of participating online stores, return to the Love2shop website or check any accompanying paperwork you may have received with your card. Remember that not all retailers that accept Love2shop gift cards in store will accept them online, so make sure your desired store is compatible. Now, let's move on to making a purchase. Navigate to the website of the retailer where you intend to shop. Browse through the items available and add your chosen products to your shopping cart. When you're ready, proceed to checkout. In the payment section, select the option to pay with a Love2shop gift card or use a MasterCard or Visa payment method if prompted, as this might be how the gift card transaction is processed. Here's a useful tip. If your purchase exceeds the balance on your Love2shop gift card, you can usually pay the remainder using another payment method. However, some retailers might not support split payments. Double-check the store's payment policy to avoid any surprises at checkout. Enter your gift card number and any required security information indicated and ensure the whole amount you intend to spend matches what you've put in. Finally, review your order. Before completing the purchase, double-check all your details, including the delivery information and total payment amount, to ensure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied, you can confirm the transaction and look forward to your product arriving soon. And that's it! You've successfully used your Love2shop gift card online. We hope this guide has been helpful and makes your online shopping experience with your gift card enjoyable. Happy shopping, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful how-to guides.